So I got a new car. Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Vlogmas day 1. I can't even believe I'm saying that. I can't even believe I'm filming for YouTube. If you can hear it in my voice, I have been sick. So we will see how many days of Vlogmas I have this beautiful voice. I am feeling better, but the voice and the cough is lingering. So I'm sure a lot of you are in the same boat as me. So that makes me feel a little better about my new fancy raspy voice. But it's December 1st, 2024. I cannot believe it. This year's been insane. My last video on here was saying I'm basically going to be gone for 5 to 6 months student teaching, and that is exactly what I have been up to. I have 20 days left. My last day is December 20th. So the majority of Vlogmas will still include, not include that part of my life, because I obviously won't be filming those kids or any of that, but it will involve me commuting to the high school, back home, to my night college class when I have it, and everything else that I've been up to for the past few months. So that is what you have to look forward to. It's actually 9 p.m. on December 1st, and today has been a day, as I'm sure you can tell from the title. I got a new car today. I still have my old car because I emotionally could not get rid of her, and she's paid off, so there's that. This new car is George's and mine, so there's that as well. But you guys will get to see her, my new car, our new car, little snippets in this video, and then obviously all throughout the month whenever I am driving it, which will be the majority of the time. You'll get to see more and more as time goes. But I just wanted to film this like intro clip to let you know what happened today, because yeah, that's what happened. We spent many hours at the dealership. We went in knowing the exact car we wanted, exterior, interior, everything. We actually went to go see it yesterday. So that was that. And then we were just kind of driving around and doing other stuff after the fact. And then we did go eat dinner at Chili's. I'll insert those clips here. And then after Chili's, we just came home, and I went ahead and filmed a few clips of the car for you, just so you can get like a overview of it. Car tour. Here she is in all her glory. Vlogmas is starting off with a bang. Don't worry, she's still here. But yeah, that was today. It's very untraditional day 1. Usually day 1 includes the Christmas tree, We do not have our Christmas tree up. We still have our fall decor up because Thanksgiving was so late in the month. It was like 4 days ago, something. So there's that. But it is Sunday currently, December 1st. And so that means I have school tomorrow. It's my first day back. The school I am student teaching at had the entire week off for Thanksgiving, which was very needed and very nice, especially considering the fact that I got sick on Monday morning. I woke up with a fever at like 4 a.m. So I would have literally not been able to survive if I had to go to school this week. So everything works out how it's supposed to, and I'm just really glad I got to rest and all the things. But my voice obviously still needs some time, but it comes and goes throughout the day. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse. So I'm just gonna not worry too much about it. What else can I tell you? Violet is still here, of course, living her best life. She's currently eating, if you hear that. I have recently entered my sourdough bread era. And when I say recently, I mean like my first ever loaf is in the refrigerator right now. So we will bake that tomorrow. I have made one loaf before, but not at home, at the house, the family I nanny for's house. And it came out really good. So I'm hoping my first loaf at home will also come out good, but we will see tomorrow. I just feel like it's been forever. I don't even know what else I can update you on. School's been amazing. The kids are amazing. I feel really bad because they all don't want me to leave. And I don't want to leave either, but of course I can't just continue to work for free in this economy. So there's that. But I think that's all I've got for you right now. But if I think of anything else, I'll hop back on here and I'll let you know. I remembered something very important that comes hand in hand with Vlogmas. And it's Advent. So I'm gonna show you our Advent calendars. George ran to the bank really quick, so we will do them, like actually open them when he comes back. But I figured I could walk you through what we have and all of that. So we have a Jolly Rancher Choose, I don't know, countdown. I found this at Ross. And then we have a Kinder countdown, which I believe I also found at Ross. Yes. So George and I are sharing these. Obviously we have like 1 and 1, but we're gonna share them. And then Violet got the BarkBox calendar from Costco. I wanted to get her this last year so bad, but they sold out. So I've had this for months, and it is finally time that she gets to start opening it, which is really exciting. So it's humongous because it has toys and treats. So that's what the inside looks like. I haven't even seen it yet, if I'm being completely honest, because it was taped shut. Oh my god, it's literally so cute. Okay, well, we will wait for George to get back, and then we will film Advent for day 1. Okay, here we go. Oh man, the Jolly Rancher one's in order. Kind of boring. Ooh, I missed these.
What the hell? It's Choose?
Yeah. Day 1.
Cherry flavor?
Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay. Oh, it's so small. Look how small it is. Open it. Oh, bless you. Oh, don't rip it. Come on.
Taylor toe.
A little Kinder.
Violet, come here.
And now it's Violet's turn. Violet got the big mama jama.
Other side, homegirl. Other side, homegirl. Where's the one? How smart are you?
Oh, Dad, I'm just a baby. Oh, Viney. That's a candy cane for you.
Can you sit? Can you sit?
Sit. Oh, very good. Merry Christmas.
Go to your bed.
Oh, she almost choked on it. Great job. Are you so excited for this? Okay, bye. Oh. She put it on a show.
Good. Thank you for cleaning the floors.
Very good, Violet. All fun.
Drink some water now.
Very good job. Very good. Alrighty, guys, that is going to be it for Vlogmas Day 1. I did want to let you know that I'm pretty sure I've done this the last like 2 years, maybe even longer. Bless you. I am not promising that I will upload every day, but I will be filming every day. So if you don't see a video from me, just know there is more to come. But that just means the days will be combined if I don't get enough footage for any said day, or also it could just be that I didn't have time to edit. So I wanted to make sure Day 1 was on its own so that you guys knew Vlogmas was coming and you could hear from me and know kind of how things are going to be run. But this vlog is definitely pretty short. But I do plan to vlog more and then also have some combined days in there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed Day 1, and I will see you all tomorrow for Day 2. Bye, guys.